Welcome back to Express everybody. In this tutorial, let's go guide through the connecting your Canva website to an existing domain. Custom domains are crucial for branding and making your site more accessible and memorable, whether your domain is to GoDaddy, Namecheap, or another provider. This guide will give you linked into your Canva site effortlessly. Let's jump right in. Now, the benefits of connecting a custom domain into Canva. Using a custom domain for your Canva website not only boosts your online processes but also adds a level of credibility to your brand. It's a key step in making your site stand out. Before we start, ensure that you have a Canva website ready to publish and access to your domain DNS settings. Now let's begin with the steps to prepare a domain. Before we continue, we must tell you that you need an actual Canva Pro account, otherwise it will actually won't work. We're actually using a Canva free version, but still, we're going to be showing you the process of how you can do this. And when you have your Canva Pro, then you can implement these instructions that we told you, so you can do this into your actual Canva Pro account. Now, accessing your domain DNS settings. First of all, let's log into the account where your domain is registered. This could be GoDaddy, this could be Namecheap. In this case, let's go for Namecheap. And as you can see here, what I wanted to do is to go to my Canva website editor. In Canva, there should be a section where managing your website size or domain. Here, what you wanted to do is to provide the necessary DNS information to connect to your domain. As we told you before, this is only available for Canva Pro users. So that means that here is my website. If I go into publish my website, you might be able to have like a free domain, but then later on, you needed to use an existing domain or to buy a new domain through Canva. If you choose one of each, it's going to be asking you to continue with a domain Canva Pro account to connect a domain that you bought from another company. If you choose to purchase a new domain, it's going to be asking you what is the name of the domain you wanted to add. For example, let's go for Tech Express Tuts. And here's going to be showing you all the elements that you can claim into your account. But I can tell you guys that it's much more faster to have the Canva Pro account. So after you have all of the elements into your Canva sites, let's say for example that here is my Tech Express, it's going to be giving you some DNS information. So I'm going to go here. Usually it's going to be giving you the type, the name, the priority, and the content. So let's say for example that this is the information that Canva gave you. What you wanted to do is to update the DNS records. Back into your domain provider dashboard, it is time to update your DNS settings. Add the records provided by the Canva would usually include the CNAME records and perhaps the A records. Ensure that you input these records correctly to connect your domain successfully. So assuming that this is information that Canva gave you when you wanted to connect your website, you wanted to go into the DNS, and here let's go for add new record. And you wanted to add exactly the same name, the type, the name, the priority, and the content. So CNAME, www, CNAME, www, and the target is going to be all of this one. So copy it and paste it directly in here. The process of doing this, it's exactly the same into Canva, it's exactly the same into Squarespace, into Google Sites, and every place that you wanted to create a website and changing the DNS, the custom domain, the process is exactly the same. So lastly, finalizing and testing the connection. After updating the DNS settings, you wanted to save the changes. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate, so your domain may not immediately redirect to your Canva site. Once the changes have taken effect, test your domains to make sure it actually leads to your Canva website. If this one is actually working, well, that means that you are okay and we are good to go. And that is actually it. You have successfully connected your existing domain to the Canva website. This integration allows you to maintain a professional website presence with the domains you already own. If this tutorial was helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Express for more website development tips. Any questions or experience with connecting a domain Canva, feel free to share into the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. We wish you success with the Canva website. Stay tuned for more helpful guides from TechExpress, and hopefully we can all see you guys on a next video.